I respect her a lot because she is always so true to her roots, country, very, very well educated and so akamai and beautiful inside and out. And so I'm very honored to introduce to you Lapua.
Aloha hiahia kako. Eai, ko moloka inu iahina. I'm glad it's not as hot as it was earlier. If you just hear at Hula Pico, I'm sorry because you might hear the same jokes that I told last week. So just laugh and pretend you never know. And before I start, I'm gonna get it all out of the way so you guys don't spend my whole 6 songs wondering, thinking about it. I'm not just fat, I'm 6.5 months pregnant. In case you was wondering. I told him last week, it's not the drive-in mushroom burger special. Okay. It's all a baby boy.